Hello! Sorry. I'm chewing skills and yeah, I'm very unhealthy. Okay, so I'm in my friend's den, who also quit while I actually got hacked. Mm. Sorry, these skills are really good. Okay. So today will be a art video. So yeah. Okay. First thing. Oh, I guess that's how you spell Dean. I'm gonna do the Jensen Ackles. Almost sounds like cackles. Or ankles, I don't know. You get a picture of this weird dude. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, okay. Oh my gosh, I need to reload. So I will be doing. Also, I'm gonna just choose some more. Mmm. I'm so unhealthy. This is my dinner. Okay. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a meme or joke. Not a bad one, I just promise. So I don't really draw people that often. So sorry if it's bad. I mean, literally the only Oh my gosh. No, baby, no. Oh my gosh, this is already like really bad. Yep, he has butt chin, cause that's what all the handsome guys have. So I'm actually trying to make this like really good because I actually do like Supernatural the show. Comment down below if you do too. So I am actually not trying to like make this a bad kind of funny. I'm super sorry if this is like bad. I swear to my grave that I am not good at all with people. I'm gonna give him some spikes because he kind of has spiky hair. I mean, come on. You know, honestly, this looks cartoony, so we're just gonna roll with it. Eight peck. Oh my gosh. Okay. Gotta draw that glorious nose. Oh jeez, I am not good at noses. I mean, what is a nose? Like, ugh. You know what? This is a waste of time. I'm just gonna do that. I'm not good at very detailed noses. And I'm actually gonna label this as Dean so people get the joke if you watch Supernatural. But like I said, I'm trying my best. I am not good at people. I promise. Oh my gosh. Supernatural. Oh my gosh. Okay, what? Okay, so he usually wears a leather jacket. Okay, so this is his jean jacket, guess. Okay. Now let's start with the details that I will probably not be good at. Oh boy. Okay. I'm just outlining his hair. Okay, there. And then we're going to do a lighter. And then I'm going to smudge his hair, but right now I'm going to do it really light. He's not blonde, I know, but we gotta make it look like sun is shining on his hair. Don't ask why. Okay, now that we got that done, now we're going to do a darker brown because his hair is kind of like a brown, you know? You know. Oh my gosh. And to make it look more rustic, we're going to put some... I need to hurry up. I want you guys to see what I do behind scenes. Because I can only record for like 15 flippin' minutes. Good enough. Okay, so good enough. Okay, so now I'm good, you know. Good smudge his hair to make it more realistic. And we're just going to do it one way because usually hair goes one way. Okay. Well, now we're just doing it like that. I am not good at skin. This is going to turn out awful. Awful, awful, awful. Okay. uh, Baloney sticks. This is crud. I am not at all good. We gotta get the cheekbones like that. And then we're gonna make the hair, you know, go like this. Because, yeah. Why not? Now we're just gonna do light shading. Oh my gosh. I am not good at shading. We're gonna try this. Oh my gosh, yeah, no. I'm actually using skin colors, but Belle's puppy starred. More of a reddish tan. He's gonna look. Ugh, I'm so done. We're just gonna use these two colors because that's what we have to work with. Like, what colors are you supposed to use? There's almost like no colors for all this. And I'm gonna do this another time. Gotta make it to where it's like, no. I am not using that. We gotta get that butt chin. 'Cause that's what all handsome men have. Oh, no. I told you, this is why I never, and I'm serious, this is why I never ever do people in my art, because it always turns out horrible. And also, I mean, like, I am trying to practice stuff that I'm not good at, but I am not good at people. Like, I will never be good at people, and I know it. Now we're just gonna blend. That looks decent enough. We're just gonna replace all this. Look at his face, guys. Look at that face, and remember, it's the face of handsomeness. Also, gotta keep that perfect butt chin line. Oh my gosh, 11 minutes already? Oh my gosh. We're gonna record till it's like 14 something, not like really close to 15. And then I'm just gonna show you it. But I also need enough. Oh, you fine. Oh my god. Look at that nose. What did that nose do? What is up with you, Dean? I messed your beauty up. Also, I'm gonna put a hint of gray in there. I am working on finer details, so until then, I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause right here, guys, and I'll show you when I'm done. Bye. Okay, guys, so here we are. Here's the joke. Okay, so I will explain the joke. Here's Dean. This is what someone asks him. Sorry for my terrible handwriting on here, but I don't know. This is just my handwriting. Okay. Hey, like your hair. What's your secret? And then Dean says right here, oh, nothing. It's just supernatural. Oh my gosh. Yep. If anyone would like a copy of this, please let me know, because I'm making one right now. Oh my. Natural. Like I said, I'm a pecker. Supernatural! I hope you guys get the joke. If you don't, look up Dean Winchester. And yeah, hopefully you will get the joke. And there will be a giveaway. I'm still doing the giveaway. Jeez, people. Okay, so the giveaway is this masterpiece. So if you would like it, comment down your username and status of member or non-member. You do not have to subscribe. I'm not really into that. So yeah, please comment down your user and status down below. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.